Alright, I am back. I was trying to see how many steps I've taken on my watch. I had to change the face of the watch because it wasn't displaying my altitude. And now that one doesn't show my steps. So I'm gonna have to find a new one. Well, it just said I've done 10 flights of stairs. Okay. That probably means 7,000 or 8,000 steps. I've just begun. Altitude is 4,000, just under 4,000 feet. Just crazy. It's just because I think Artesia is like 3,000 and Hobbs is just a little bit less than that. It just seems like you go up more than 1,000 feet, but I wonder if Sitting Bull Falls is any higher. I'd like to go back up into the Guadalupes, which is those mountain ranges over there, but there's no good spots to charge my car. It's like right in the middle between El Paso and Carlsbad, and you don't want to get stranded out there. But I think I'm going to sit down and read a book. I'm kind of switching between listening to some books. I like listening to books that have like they put on good performances. It's not just somebody reading the book; they're acting out the characters and stuff. Usually, it's dual narration, and I really like that. But you know, a lot of books don't have that, so I just prefer to read most of the time. It's really pretty. Let's see, I'm going to read here for probably a good hour or so, maybe until it gets too hot. I'll head back down. I'll probably take the elevator down and just chill out somewhere. If I want to hike down. Again, there's a lot of people showing up. But I could just take my time going down too, like I normally do. But we'll see. I'll probably check back in an hour or so and give an update. But until then.